upcoming plant crossing work. To build the new link roads, the construction teams need to move large volumes of soil and earth across Mottram Moor. To do this safely and efficiently, they are installing a temporary plant crossing, which is a short road for construction vehicles. The crossing will remain in place until the end of the project and used more often during the drier months. In March, a concrete foundation was built for the plant crossing on Mottram Moor. To make it fully operational, overnight work is required from Monday, the 27th of April to Friday, the 1st of May. During these works, there will be a temporary traffic lights between 8 p.m. and 6 a.m. Mottram Moor reduced to a single lane, with vehicles passing through one direction at a time. Temporary traffic lights also at the junction of Backmoor and Gun Inn. Pedestrian access will always be maintained. Woolly Bridge traffic lights and piling. Temporary two-way lights will be installed at Woolly Bridge between Tuesday, 28th, and Wednesday, the 29th of April, in order to widen access for piling works to start from Monday, the 5th of May 2026. Between 9:30 a.m. and 3 p.m., drivers will run in single file through the lights. Delays to journeys are expected to continue until the end of July 2026.